Make a great choice today with the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.